Well, hey everybody, it's Evie124, and today I'm got a little something different, so I'm going to try and see if I can get this to work. So, this is a Roomba Discovery SE, and it's quite old. I think it's from like 2002. Now let's just set that on the floor. Oh yeah, that's a Roomba, alright. This is nasty. Do I want to know what that is? I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Virtual wall unit. I don't know, I'll set that there. Bubble wrap. This is probably the docking station. I don't know. Let's just set that right there. Jeez. This is home base. So I can't tell if that is the docking or if that's the docking. This is another virtual wall unit that's falling apart. Not gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this thing to work. Oh hell, comes with the cable. And there's a remote. Roomba remote. What else do we got in this nasty box? Fast charger. Dusty. Instruction manuals. And cleaning tool. Oh, you gotta clean it. Of course you do. I mean, that'll probably be useful. Screws and stuff. You know, not gonna lie, I don't think this is anything like modern Roombas. Just gonna shove you over there. This is going well. And we're just gonna close up this nasty box. That's not in very good condition. Okay. So, I'll be back after a little bit of trying out stuff. So I read those instructions, and these are meant to go around a room somewhere, so they, like, tell the Roomba not to go past this point, and that is weird. That's the remote, obviously. This turns out it's a wall mount. Goes on your wall. This is the actual thing that goes on your floor. And Jesus is nasty. I'm gonna try plugging stuff in now. We have progress. That's on. It's making noises. This is weird. Let's see if any of these buttons work. You know, I should pull. Yeah, that would help if I put batteries in. What is it? 2 AAAs? BRB. So I'm looking at this thing from underneath, and it says, if you do not remove and clean my brushes regularly, I may stop working well. And this thing hasn't been used since someone bought it in 2002. So I should probably check these out. Oh God. Oh, this might be a while. I'm gonna go downstairs and wash these up in the sink. BRB. So I got like a tripod and stuff set up now. And I've got the brushes clean for the most part. But oh, the thing's heavy. Inside here is not so great, and also the top I'll clean off a bit too. So you're about to see a time lapse of me cleaning this thing, and then we'll come back to actually trying to get it work. Cut. Whoopsie. Okay, so that was fun. That was nasty. Now I'm trying to get these brushes back in, but they just keep falling out. I forgot how to take them out, and now I can't figure out how to put them back in. It says something about yellow tabs, but I don't see any yellow tabs. How? Oh, it would be useful if I could actually figure out how this thing works. Ooh, I can see a nice spaghetti in there too. Spaghetti. You know, I feel like I'm completely missing something here. There's some part lying around here. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Let's just clean this nasty thing off real quick. Oh, everything is so gross. But hey, that's what happens when you get a Roomba from 2004 and try and get it to run again. You're gonna have a nasty vacuum cleaner. I probably can't even get it to work because the filter or something's probably gonna be all messed up. Okay. Now that I found that part, the brushes are in place. Oops. Come on, iRobot. Man, I really should just get a modern one, shouldn't I? Peak power. Peak performance. Nothing's working. Oh well. I'm just gonna see if I can get this thing to be a little bit cleaner. Oh, alcohol wipe tried ditching me. Just make it a bit shinier and newer looking. Even if I can't get it to work, it's a cool piece of retro tech. One of the first Roombas. I wonder how big they are now. I've never actually seen one in person. I wonder if they're about this size still. Well, that's that. Now let's shove it on this dock. And start pushing buttons. It's making music again. I don't know what it's doing. It's making green lights. Back to the owner's manual that I found online. Okay, table of contents. So it works supposedly on everything. It says it'll take 3 hours to recharge. Ooh. Charging lights. Okay, so I have the 4200 model series apparently. And it says red means battery is empty. So I'll see you back in a few days. I'm gonna let this thing charge, and I have school tomorrow, so I probably won't be able to do it tomorrow, and if I can, I'll just have to do it after school. So yeah, I'll be back. Hopefully this thing will be fully charged by the time I come back. Well, see you in a few days-ish. Update, I found the filter. It doesn't look in great condition, but I will try using it anyway. Okay, so I was just packing up from filming when I noticed the light is green, which means it might be ready to clean. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's attacking me. Park. Yep, that's the wall. That's the wall. Oh, that's the power button. Okay, I think I gotta... Are you gonna return to your charging base? Okay, apparently not. Yep, that's the wall. Yep, that's the wall. Yep, that's the wall. It's definitely doing something. Well, I suppose it works. So let's just, Okay, pause. There's something on here that says how to manually return it to its base. Oh, it's on here. Spot and clean at the same time. Okay. Nope. Maybe I had to press on here. Come on. That's not the way to the home base. You know what? I give up on you. I'm just gonna put you back myself. Well, I guess that concludes that. The Roomba works. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I have it. Alright, well, thank you all for watching this experience with me. I guess I'll figure out what to do with this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.